Radiation fog forms on clear nights when the air near the surface is moist, that is to say that its dew point is close to its temperature. After sunset, heat radiates away from the ground, and if there is no cloud layer, this heat will be lost to outer space. This cooling of the surface causes the layer of the air closest to the surface to cool also. When the temperature of the air reaches the dew point, it is saturated, that is to say, it can hold no more water in vapour form. As the temperature of the air falls still further, the water vapour within the air condenses, forming fog first at the surface and then thickening as cooling continues. Further radiative cooling at the top of the fog layer continues the process, deepening the fog bank. Radiation fog typically disperses soon after sunrise as the surface temperature increases. The warm surface causes the fog to lift and gradually disperse. In some cases, the fog may rise to form a low layer of stratus cloud. If the fog is particularly thick, however, it can prevent the sun's warmth from reaching the surface. In this case, the fog will not clear. This situation is common in northern Europe in the autumn, and some airfields may be affected by radiation fog for many days. 3 conditions are required for the formation of radiation fog: clear skies, moist air recognizable by the fact that the temperature is near the dew point, and a light wind of 1 to 5 knots. A light wind is required to gently mix the air and enable the fog bank to deepen. This is because air doesn't conduct heat very well. In still air conditions, fog may not form at all, and instead a layer of dew or frost will form on the surface instead. However, with stronger winds than this, the fog may disperse and lift to form layers of stratus cloud. When conditions for radiation fog exist, it's wise to examine the weather patterns over the preceding days to see if fog has occurred, and at what time and temperature. Monitoring the difference between the temperature and dew point can also be useful for predicting whether conditions for radiation fog will exist. If possible, you should time your arrival for around an hour after noon, as this is the time of day when the maximum amount of solar heating takes place, giving the best chance of dispersal. Above all, however, you should expect delays and carry extra fuel accordingly to accommodate this.